Here's my first stage of the waxing. Basically, you want to cover the entire material with wax on the outside. This looks really bad because it's not heated yet. So once I heat treat it, the wax will melt. The majority of the wax will melt into the cotton. And as you can tell, this was a field jacket from the Netherlands. It's cotton. It's K-A-T-O-A-E, cotton. And that this is the first process. I'm going to heat treat it with the I don't know if I'm going to put it in the dryer or use a hair dryer right now. But once it's done, it's going to melt into it, and whatever is not, it's just going to wipe off the excess. I probably should wipe off some of the excess right now, but that's as far as I got right now. Okay, step 2 is coming up. This is just an example of what I'm doing is heat treating with the hair dryer. So as we keep going, it melts into it, as you can tell. So here we go. This is quite a long process. It's probably gonna. I started 2 hours ago with to start it off, and what I noticed is that you can do a couple different ways to use Let's turn this off. There's a couple different ways to do this, and what I saw online was you get a iron and you put the iron, hover it over the material. And the second way is to basically use the dryer and put it over until it gets there. See, this is the part that's the wax hasn't been permeated into the material. This has. I like the I kind of wanted, when I got this jacket yesterday, people say, well, you ruined a brand new jacket, and I'm like, you know what? I like these types of field jackets. This is actually not a M65. It's a Holland. It's a field jacket from Switzerland, I believe. So, as you can tell, this part has been treated with I put the hairdryer over it. There's still a lot of ways to go. I'll probably finish it up in the dryer. That's the fastest way. If I keep using the hair dryer, it's going to take a long time. Another way to use a iron. Anyways, when it gets finished, this step, I will show another video.